Hello boys and girls, this is a new chapter of my reviews from keyboards. In this case, we have here an amazing and astonishing made from his arms and hands keycaps from an artisan who is based in Malaga. His name is Carlos from Malaga. His keycaps are pretty impressive. He has a new technique who mix the typical keycaps with a kind of paste, as you can see here. In this keycap you can see a pine tree, who he personally made it for me. I really appreciate his gift, and I want to show you the other pieces who he includes in the bag, like this one, who should be inspired in the Malaga streets for sure. It has a good grip and you can use it for, I don't know, the key that you want to have more grip. For example, if you write pretty fast, you can use it to don't get out of the keyboard. This other is a olive tree. Actually, I think that this Carlo from Malaga likes a lot to work with trees. This one has an special color based on Sambuman GMK Jamon, and it represents the nature of Malaga. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this chapter of my reviews, and you can add these keycaps to your collection by contacting Carlos in the Spaniard Telegram group.